When I first got sick, everything was a blur. I didn't really pay attention to names and, dates and things like that. My mom would always come with me to my appointments, and she would, sometimes take notes, and she would take care of medications. There was a lot of trial and error, and my doctor was pretty reserved and, still didn't want to rush into anything, but I was getting more and more sick and expressing this to him. And I got to a point where I really wanted to be the one informed and knowing exactly what was going on. I think first you really need to start trying to ask the questions and do the research for yourself. So I went back to all my doctors. I took extensive notes and kind of put together a medical history. And I tried to start thinking about what questions I really wanted to ask. And I started going to my appointments alone, which really forced me to listen. I think it's sometimes hard to take this on by yourself, but I would say to somebody who's new to it to try little by little to really be the one to step up and take on the responsibility of learning exactly what your doctor is talking about. And if you don't understand something, just keep asking questions until they give you the answer that you can understand, because that's really what they're there for. Nobody is going to be a better advocate for yourself than you are. If you don't ask the questions, somebody else probably won't. If you don't do the research, somebody else probably won't. If there's something that you want to explore, if there's a test that you think you want to do, you should bring that up to your doctor. I've done that many times and, found out that something that I suspected was maybe an issue actually was an issue. And, I think it's difficult to approach sometimes when you're not used to doing it. You may feel a little intimidated, or you may feel like the doctor is the expert and it's not your place. But at the end of the day, it's your body and it's your health, and the doctor's going to go home and live his life, and you're going to go home and live your life. And, you really have to make sure that you're taking care of yourself. I always say, your body best, better than any doctor or family member or friend.